Hi guys, my name is Majaz and welcome to Majaz Tech. Today I am showing 26 unique features of Telegram. So let's get started. Number 1. Edit all messages. Edit messages to fix typos or remove anything you send by accident. Edited messages show an edited label, and deleted messages never leave any trace on the chat. Number 2. Sending documents and videos up to 2 GB. Send full resolution media by selecting send without compression on Android, or send as file on iOS. Number 3. Deleting messages without a trace. Unsend anything. On Telegram you can unsend messages you have sent or received for both sides. There is no time limit. You can also delete any private chat entirely from both your and the other person's device with just 2 taps. Number 4. Native desktop and tablet apps. Scan a QR code with your phone to instantly sign into Telegram's desktop apps. Number 5. Multiple accounts. Multiple accounts. All Telegram apps let you stay signed in on 3 accounts, with different phone numbers, simultaneously. Whether it's for work, play or a secret identity, your messages are only a tap away. Number 6. Chat folders. Chat folders. With work, studies, friends and family all in one app. A little organization goes a long way. Users can add chat folders to create separate tabs for specific chats so they never miss a message. There are several preset options, like unread, as well as custom folders that include and exclude chats by type and read status. For everything else, you can individually add and remove chats from a folder so they have everything you want and nothing that you don't. For even more control, folders support unlimited pins to always keep chats in your preferred order. To get started, go to Settings, Folders on any device. And they sync across all your devices. Number 7. Usernames instead of phone numbers. Usernames allow people to search for your profile and add you as a contact. No need to share your phone number. Number 8. Granular privacy settings. Granular privacy settings allow you to change your overall visibility, and add individual exceptions for any category. You can add whole group chats as exceptions. Settings will adjust automatically as people join and leave the group. More on our Telegram channel. Join now. Link in description. Number 9. Group chats of up to 200,000 members. The slow mode and incredible admin tools will help to maintain relevant messages on the super groups. And also it will help to avoid junk messages too. Number 10. Admin tools. Admin tools. Set individual permissions and custom titles for admins in group chats to give everyone their own role and responsibilities. You can also allow your admins to post anonymously, using the name and profile pic of the group. Number 11. Anonymous post for group admins. Enable Remain Anonymous to make an admin invisible. Anonymous admins can't be seen in the list of members and their messages are sent with the name and photo of the group instead of their own. Number 12. Stats for group owners. Group stats. Owners of large groups with over 500 members can view beautiful, detailed graphs about its activity and growth. Number 13. Voice chats for up to 5,000 participants. Voice chats. Telegram's powerful group chats go beyond text and stickers, allowing persistent conference calls that members can join or leave at any time. After joining a voice chat, you are free to move around the app and send messages in any conversation. The microphone controls remain on screen, allowing you to quickly mute and unmute at any time. Admins can get the conversation started by opening the group's profile, tapping or and selecting Start Voice Chat. Number 14. 20,000 plus high quality animated stickers. Sticker suggestions. Type any emoji and Telegram will suggest stickers relevant for your situation. From face with heart-shaped eyes, to face screaming in fear. Guys, if you want this stickers, then get subscribed to Trending Stickers Telegram channel to get the latest packs first. Number 15. Custom color themes. Change colors. You can choose from dozens of color schemes in chat settings, appearance settings on iOS. For more artistic freedom, try the full theme editor, or find links to themes created by others. Number 16. Free unlimited cloud storage. Guys, you can use Telegram as a Google Drive. You can store your photos and videos for unlimited data. Number 17. Video messages. Video messages. Tap once on the voice message button to switch to video mode. Swipe up to lock recording. Also works for voice messages. Video messages play in picture mode so you can keep moving around the app while watching them. Number 18. Telegram channels. Channels are a powerful tool for broadcasting messages to unlimited audiences. Only admins are allowed to post updates, but you can add comments to engage with users. See at Durov for example. Channels are anonymous. Posts show the name and photo of the channel, rather than the individual who posted them. The list of subscribers is also private and only visible to admins. Number 19. Video editing tools. Media editor. With more functions than standalone editing apps, Telegram's powerful media editor has tools to add text, drawings, stickers and more. Create custom GIFs from your own videos, make basic and advanced corrections, and add decorations for another layer of artistry. Number 20. Programmed emojis. Mini game emoji. There are several emoji which you can send in chat to test your luck. Guys, it is fun to test your luck in any chat by sending a single of this. Number 21. Disappearing photos or videos. Disappearing photos and videos. You can send disappearing media in any one-on-one chat. They self-destruct after opening, leaving no trace of your confidential fruits or vegetables. Press and hold the send button, then select send with timer. Number 22. Partial selection for messages. Partial selection. You can select any portion of a message to copy or share, instead of only the full text. Here how it looks both iOS and Android devices. Number 23. Scheduled messages. Scheduled messages. Hold the send button in any chat and select schedule message to automatically send things at a specified time in the future. If you can't guess what time would be good, then you can also set to deliver the message when your recipient comes online. Number 24. Send messages when online. Send when online. You can schedule messages or media to be delivered as soon as your recipient comes online. This option only appears for users who share their last seen status with you. Number 25. Silent messages. Send a message without sound by holding down the send button. Your recipient will receive a silenced notification, so you won't disturb their Monday meditation. Number 26. Pinned messages. Pinned messages. All Telegram chats support multiple pinned messages, so important info is always within reach. Tap the top bar to jump between messages or hit the button on the right side to see all pins on a separate page. When pinning a message in a group, you have the option to send a notification to all group members, even if they have the chat muted. Number 27. Telegram polls. Polls in groups and channels. Telegram polls can be anonymous, or have visible votes so that everyone in the group sees who voted for what. Multiple answer polls can be helpful when deciding on a date or place for an event. Polls with quiz mode enabled have a correct answer and can power anything from trivia games to public service exams. Number 28. Encrypted voice and video calls. Video calls. Start a one-on-one video call with a user from their profile page for a little face-to-face communication. You can switch your video on or off at any time, and are free to multitask in other chats. Video calls support picture-in-picture mode. All voice and video calls are protected with end-to-end encryption. To confirm your connection, compare the 4 emojis shown on screen. If they match with your partner's, your call is 100% secure. Guys, this for also Telegram's unique features. API and bot platform for developers. Telegram bots are really incredible. Self-destructing end-to-end encrypted chats. Persistent chat history. Saved messages and drafts. My dear friends, if you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like and comment. Then as you haven't subscribed, then PLS consider to subscribe. Now you can join our Telegram channel to know more about Telegram. So guys, that's all for this time and I hope see you next time. Bye, your Majaz.